So 17a will start with sec x plus tan x equals minus 3. Use this identity to find the value of sec x minus tan x. Now the way I'm dealing with this one is I've noticed, look, here I've got sec x plus tan x and I've got sec x minus tan x. So the key is look at this identity and rewrite it in this way. And then the right hand side, look, is a difference of 2 squares. Okay, so sec x minus tan x times sec x plus tan x is equal to 1. Sec x plus tan x, the question tells us, is equal to 3. So 1 is, and it's not an identity anymore. Sec x plus tan x isn't always equal to 3, it's just, oh sorry, minus 3. It's not always equal to minus 3, but it is for this particular question. So let's change to an equal sign. In this question, sec x minus tan x times sec x plus tan x, so times minus 3, is equal to 1. So what they're asking for is minus 1/3 is equal to sec x minus tan x. So we now have 2 statements. And deduce the values of sec x and tan x. Well, there's equation 1, there's equation 2, and we can do this by elimination, can't we? If we add the 2 equations together, we get minus 1/3. That one plus that one is equal to 2 sec x. So that's equation 1 plus equation 2, and the tans would cancel out. And then if you do equation 1, take away equation 2, the tans wouldn't cancel and the secs would cancel. So I'll leave you to finish that off from there. Hence solve, and then the last bit is asking us to solve sec x plus tan x is equal to minus 3 in a particular interval. So what am I not seeing here? Okay, so what I didn't see quite straight away there was from part B, that's part B here, I end up with a value for sec x. So I haven't checked in the back of the book, but sec x equals something or other. So if sec x plus tan x equals minus 3, then that means that sec x equals something we found in part B, and tan x equals something that we found in part B. So if I solve this equation in this interval, and if I solve this equation in this interval, then we are done. Tan x equals something in this interval is a year 12 question. Sec x, we just have to do a little bit more work. That's 1 over cos x. 1 over cos x equals whatever that number is. So you take that number from part B, you do 1 divided by that number equals cos x, and we now have cos x equals something or other in a given interval, and again we're into a year 12 or an AS question. Okay, over to you guys.